Good day, folks. This is DIY Guy 123 here, bringing you another do-it-yourself video. So I've got a half-ton pickup truck, and it's got a mount. It's the mount that's in the front of the vehicle, and underneath the radiator, it has a rubber bushing that's deteriorated on this side. So you can see it's all the way off over here, and on the other side, the bushing wasn't even there. It was just not there. So I took the cup off, took the nut off and the cup off, and in order to do that I had to have a 15mm wrench positioned like so. Hopefully you can see that. Anyway, there's the wrench going over top to grip the top of this bolt, and then I got the nut off. Now, you know, what I'm going to tell you, I don't necessarily recommend. I'm doing it myself to get me out of a jam here, to get the vehicle rolling again. Professionals would probably say this is the wrong thing to do. I know that off-road guys have, you know, more stringent demands on their suspension than this truck barely ever goes off. Like, it goes on gravel road maybe, but it never goes like in the mud or anything. And so I'm taking this chance, and I think it's pretty minor because, like I mentioned, on the passenger side, the bushing was completely gone anyway. So took a hockey puck, took a 1 3/4 inch hole saw, put the puck in a vise and drilled it out, and I had to drill it out from both sides. Drill it halfway from this side, then flip it over and drill it halfway from that side. That's going to go up on there, and then the cup, and then the nut, and I'll show you what it's like in a minute. Okay, well, there we are. It's an official motor mount, because it actually says the word official. It's written upside down right there, but I'm pretty sure it'll work the same whether the word official is upside down or right side up, so I think I'll leave it like that, unless you think it's wrong. So tell me in the comments and I'll take it off and flip the hockey puck over. Anyway, that's how it looks. It looks way better than this side, that's for sure. And hopefully it lasts, and if it doesn't, I'm out about $2. Okay, good luck with your do-it-yourself projects.